Welcome. In front of me I have iPhone XR, and today I'll show you how you can remove tempered glass from your display. So it's very simple, and what you have to do, let's start from one of the corner, from the bottom corner. You have to put your fingernail underneath this tempered glass, just like that. Take a look. As you can see, it comes really easy. You can just move it to the another edge and put another finger and just a little bit lift that. Do it slowly, don't break glass. You can catch it right now outside. Oh, it breaks. And there it is. As you can see right now, we easily get rid of that tempered glass from our display. And right now we are able, for example, to apply another one. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.